where we've gotten to now is that we almost take it for granted how easy we've been able to make this with automation, so that essentially, I go to a catalog that's provided to me, select what I need, hit a button, get a cup of coffee, and wait for an email to show up with my links to my virtual server to do my testing. So
Serena does a number of things. The thing that we do that's probably the most important is we help our customers maintain control of their code through our change management software. The scope of what we manage here from a public and private cloud is kind of two things really. We have a development infrastructure and our internal IT infrastructure that both run on private clouds. So that's essentially our shop floor, where the manufacturing of the software gets done, where all the heavy lifting's done. And today, a lot of that's controlled by the Embodic software.
Before vCommander, we were on our provision systems. We were having to install just various tools that we needed for developers to be able to use, or for our products to be able to use. So that was incredibly painful and incredibly tedious to change out.
And there's so much overhead and time in trying to get a clean machine set up, go and find the version of the operating system that we need, the different dependent components that we need to make sure they're installed. So that's where we really had this need to automate.
Configuring vCommander was actually pretty painless, to be honest. It was really fantastic just to kind of plug everything in that we really needed and go from there. Roughly on any given week, we're going through 60 to 70 machines. That's bringing them up, tearing them down. We have self-service that developers kick off. Most developers kick off at least one a day, and those last for about 3, maybe 4 days, and then they automatically get torn down so they can start fresh up again, because we're constantly building our products, so they want to have the latest and greatest, and we want them to have the latest and greatest.
So we looked at a couple of different products, actually several years ago. To be honest, the possibilities for some additional functionality that vCommander had was exciting. So one of the biggest problems we had was showing people that there's a real cost associated with the number of systems that they're requesting and the resources that they're using. So immediately we were able to set up a kind of a cost model and then apply that to vCommander and then show a real cost back to the business. I think that's helped tremendously. We're able to have much more intelligent conversations, especially around budget.
Yeah, I think the feedback on the Embodics product from our internal customers, which is the R&D organization, has been very positive. They like the flexibility it offers, the visibility they've gained. They've been really happy with it. It's really helped them do their jobs better.